or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk and not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your steps and hold onto the handrail, especially when going. Which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line once at 800 meters per second. In a recent notable rock cut, in 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters, and it remains the smallest waterfall with two counterparts. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the waterfalls is 170 feet or 54 meters.
Oh my goodness! This is, oh my word! This is the real deal. Wow! And there's people at the top actually. I think that's where Wodemaya was walking the other day. They're waving at us. Oh, now the mist is hitting us. Like, yeah, it's like rain drizzling. It's wonderful. I love it. Oh, my glasses! I can't see a thing. Oh my word! My bros! I'm gonna be wearing a wet shirt home.
My shoes!
I know. I gotta lose my glasses here. This is so ginormous. Oh my goodness. We are in the middle of it. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my word. It's like we're in a big U. Yeah, it's gonna turn. Oh my word. This is fabulous. I didn't realize this is how big this was. Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise. So we came from out there and now we're in a horseshoe pretty much. It's water all the way up around. Like, look at that. Wow. No man. Look at water. We are turning around.